Track 9. 1.
What's the most exciting city? Well, Paris is exciting, but I think London is the most exciting city of all.
2.
What's more delicious, milk or lemonade? Well, milk is delicious, but I think lemonade is more delicious.
3.
What's the most beautiful animal? That's difficult. Elephants are very beautiful, but tigers are the most beautiful of all. They're my favorite animal.
4.
What's more interesting, watching TV or reading a book? I like watching TV, but I love books. I read every day, so reading is the most interesting.
5.
What's the most boring subject at school? I don't like maths. It's very boring. But I think that music is the most boring of all. I can't play the piano,